Good afternoon. We'll start the short program for this very momentous event, the signing of the deed of donation of our Mabini statue, which will be installed here at the lobby of Tanawan City Hall. So we're very happy. We'd like to thank the Mayor for taking time to meet with us for the signing of this deed of donation. Our faith will be represented, of course, by our Chairman and President, Mr. Sotolimo Guillen.
Ganun ba kasimple?
Acceptance speech. That will be placed on the internet.
Ganun na.
Meron ng Mabini website.
Website.
Okay.
Dude!